game today. We got JRU versus EAC. We start with these teams. Number 9 and number 10 team in the league. To start off, sabi nga nila dito sa GMA, ang huling 2 linggo ng ating elimination round sa Season 99. Martin Navarre alongside Coach Hammer, Martin Antonio, taking you through this coverage with our courtside reporters. Mamaya-maya po makakausap natin si Arlav De Jesus at si Lexi Gonzalez. Let me go first to Coach Hammer here. Arellano versus Letran. A chance to get another win before they close out their seasons.
Madiin yung huling 2 linggo ng elimination. Dahil painit ng painit yung mga storylines natin. Itong dalawang team na to, nasa bottom ng ating team standings, gusto nilang magbaon ng kumpiyansa papasok sa season 100 kasi mahabang season yan.
Kasama to sa building blocks na magkabilang panig natin. Of course, they're gonna take this experience in season 100. We open the scoring with Baby Shaq Kapulong inside. This would be a good matchup at the front line. We got Rafael Go and Kobe Moni, Ira Batalier versus Kapulong.